Hello, hi friends, itech here, and I recently bought an iPad Pro 2020 with 12.9-inch screen. I wanted to protect my iPad screen, so I got a ICarez tempered glass screen protector. In today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing and review of ICarez tempered glass screen protector. Come, let's get started. Hi friends, I recently purchased ICarez tempered glass protector for my iPad Pro 2020. I paid $20 for this tempered glass screen protector. Come, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you find two tempered glass screen protectors and an installation kit. To start the installation, first step is to clean your iPad Pro screen with the wet wipes provided within the box. Make sure you clean all the corners without leaving any dust on the screen. Then wipe the screen gently with a dry cloth provided in the box. Place the given screen protector on top of your iPad Pro. Ensure you align the protector properly. Then tie the rubber bands to the top and bottom of your iPad Pro as shown in the video. Now take the stickers which is provided in the kit and paste two stickers firmly to the bottom of your iPad Pro along with your screen protector. Make sure that these stickers are firmly in place. Now paste the another sticker provided in the kit to the top of your iPad Pro screen protector. Ensure top and bottom of the screen protector tempered glass align properly. Then carefully remove the rubber bands and lift the tempered glass gently. Now use the stickers provided in the kit to remove any remaining dust on the screen. Now remove the sticker pasted behind the tempered glass and slowly place the glass on top of your iPad Pro. Gently press the tempered glass and ensure that there are no bubbles left on the screen. Screen quality on this tempered glass is truly amazing. We did not experience any change in the color shift. At its peak brightness, viewing experience was great without losing any picture quality. However, this is a true glass protector. It attracts fingerprints and reflections. If you are someone who prefers less fingerprints and less reflection, I would suggest to go with a paper-like screen protector. Friends, if you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to our itech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching itech.